Hi golfers, I hope you're well. Ollie Lee here. Hopefully you're all keeping safe. This drill is one I've actually stole from Phil Kenyon, good friend and best putting coach in the world in my opinion. Phil is he works very hard on what he knows and sort of pushing the boundaries with David Orr in the putting industry. So very proud to know the both of the guys. Also, I've got my you'll see my mugs, Masters mugs. Today represents an important day from like 1 year ago today. It was Friday at Augusta and it was my first time there. I managed to see all golfers tee off the 10th hole. I managed to see Phil coach on that putting green. And then I followed Tiger Woods, my idol for 20 years. Ran the back nine at Augusta. He actually shot 3 or 4 under for that nine. He was in contention. The crowds are going wild. It'll just be a memory that I'll never ever forget. My best golfing memory to date, without doubt. Okay, so moving on to this drill. This is called the 2 cup challenge. So you need 2 cups, a pink tee, and a coin and a ball. So this is all about start line. So starting the ball on line is crucial. The mathematics behind this drill I got from Phil Kenyon. So if you set up a gate, which essentially is what we have in between my Masters mugs there, a gate of 55 mil, and you hit from 14 inches away, that gives you a 1 degree tolerance. So 1 degree tolerance means that on a straight 10-foot putt, if you're within a degree, the ball will still go in the hole. If it's more than a degree out, it won't go in. So yeah, simple game really, that we set up the pink tee, which I've measured that is 58 mil, so near enough as damn it. We're going to hit from 14 inches away. So what I want to see is how many times in a row you can get the ball through the gate, through the cups, how many in a row you can get through there. So let's see how we get on. One. Not even close. So I need to work on my putting. I've got to stop that pull, which you've just seen. So I better get back to work and practice that. You guys give it a go. Send in your videos of how many in a row you can get that ball through that 55 mil gap from 14 inches. Inspiration from Tiger. Have a good day. Read it, roll it, hold it.